Hi guys, this is Parul. Welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video, we are going to be attempting to do something very shady. Trust me, literally, because I'm going to be attempting to highlight my hair from this boring black brownish shade to something more of a vibrant funky red. So I just thought that why not in the process to document it as well, because if it turns out to be epic, then wow, I can actually boast myself to be a know-it-all. But if it turns out to be an epic fail, then why not? I mean, we would have had a great entertainment. Just jump right into the process. But before that, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell so you never miss an update. And now let's jump into the process because I cannot wait to transform these into vibrant red. Things first, it is very important that you wash your hair at least one day prior to this highlighting process, because you don't want the dirt and the dust to actually mix up with your highlighting process to give you a very gooey kind of a finish. So you don't really want that. So I have already washed my hair, and also I have colored my hair globally, which is from roots to my tips, in a shade of burgundy, which was from L'Oreal. So the very first thing that you would be requiring is to have a highlighting kit. So the one that I'm using today is by Streax Ultralights, which is in vibrant red. Open this particular sachet and see what this is. By the way, I ordered it from Amazon and it came within, I guess, 2-3 days. So I have an Amazon Prime, so thank God it really worked out pretty well for me. Oh, I have a lot of things into this particular sachet. First of all, we have step 1, which is a blonder plus developer. So this is the developer, and this particular sachet is the blonder powder. It also comes down with a spoolie kind of a brush, pretty great. It also comes down with 2 conditioner sachets and a pair of gloves. Now the second sachet consists of colorant cream, which I believe would be the red shade, with developer. Again 2 sachets, and oh, this time we get a brush in the set as well. So it's a value for money. On the package, the money value is 160 rupees, but I guess I got it for 135 or 140. So it's a value for money. I mean, it's a good experiment to do, and yep. Let's begin. So the very first thing that you have to understand is how you want to highlight your hair. Do you want a regular balayage? Do you want the chunky typical highlights that were really popular in the early 2000s? If you remember, I mean, we had Kareena Kapoor Khan, sporting those, chunky blonde color highlights, but I don't really like them, and I'm not really going to do them as well. I like a more sombre effect. So I'm gonna be doing a sombre balayage, but I'm not too sure if this particular product would be sufficient for my hair, because I have quite a lot. So thank God I have ordered another packet. So we have 2, and let's see how it fares. So again, Jai Mata Di, let's just jump into it, because I cannot really wait to transform my hair. It has been really boring. Okay, so first things first, that we have to distribute our hair into 2 sections. So what I've done is I've just distributed my hair like this into 2 sections, and I'm going to be working exactly like I want. So what I do is I take this glass bowl and I'm taking my blonder powder, the entire content of it, into this bowl. And I'm going to be adding the developer into it as well, and then mix it really good, and then we are going to be applying it on our hair to lighten the strands that we really want to highlight. I'm going to go a bit higher like this. in a very staunch V kind of fashion. And making sure that every strand towards the end is covered with the blonder powder. Let's see how well it has worked. Okay, guys, see. These are the very first strands that we had worked with, and it has given a beautiful golden hue. So that's why I said that make sure that it doesn't really extend the desired time duration, and it is going to work exceptionally well. Let's just wait, and once this is done, I'm just gonna show you guys that how this has worked out. So let's wait and watch now. Okay, so after 35 minutes, a shower and a conditioning effect followed by a blow dry, this is how my hair look. These are very ashy browns, I don't know if this is copper shade or what, but it has turned out really well for me. I'm gonna quickly grab up my glass bowl that I had in my previous step as well. So I just washed it and I'm using it again, and I'm quickly gonna grab all the 2 sachets that I received in my step 2 from the package, which is these 2, and I'm quickly gonna be emptying both these sachets into that glass bowl, and let's see what color it comes so that we can just go ahead. Okay, guys, you have to see this. This is the colorant cream, and you see the color. Okay, do you see the color? Whoops. Wow. Yes, we are going to take that into our hair. Pray for me. Okay, so I am all ready. As you can just see, I have just distributed my hair into sections, and this is the first section that I would be working out with. And as you can see that I have clear lines of the highlighted portions, and behold, because this is the color that we are going to be putting, I have to agree, I'm a bit worried, but there's nothing that we can do now other than to color our hair. So wherever I can see the highlighted hair, I'm just putting across my color and praying that it turns out really good. Otherwise, my mom is actually gonna kick me out of her home, because she doesn't know that soon she's gonna have a daughter with bright red hair. So pray for me, pray for humanity. So here is the first strand successfully colored and left to the mercy of coloring gods. I'm just gonna go ahead and color all the highlighted strands onto my hair, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here I am done coloring my hair, and you can see this is the early result. So far I'm loving it. It hadn't really come out to be as vibrant and as weird as I thought it would be, but it is giving me a beautiful, bright burgundy kind of a feeling, and so far I'm really excited. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just gonna wait for 30 minutes and chill the F out, and thereafter I'm just gonna go and wash my hair with some lukewarm water till it runs all clear. I'm not really gonna shampoo or anything, but I am definitely gonna condition my hair, then blow dry it, and I'll be right back with the finished results. This is a new me with a new set of hair with new t-shirt, so that you can understand how well the color has turned out. Honestly speaking, I feel like the red woman Melisandre in Game of Thrones. I was always her fan. I never really thought that I would turn into one, which is a huge thing. I love it. I feel, as I said, like a new person. I especially like the extra highlights that I added towards the end over my flicks, because this has given my hair a complete look, and it is really complementing well with my skin tone, and it makes me look gorgeous. And I'm loving it. As you can see, I am so loving it. The best thing about the process is that it hasn't really left my hair with any kind of coarseness or brittleness, because I still have the health in my hair. As you can see, I still have the gorgeous shine that I used to have in my hair. And I haven't really applied anything new to my hair to add that shine. It is just the Streax conditioner that I got with the package, which is brilliant, because nothing in the world really suits my hair, and that has suited brilliantly. So kudos to them. It has turned out to be an absolute epic success. Congratulations, highly recommended. Now if you plan to do this at your home, and if you have any urgent queries, then please don't hesitate to send me across your queries over Instagram, over YouTube of course, in the comment box below. You can also send them to me over Facebook and over Snapchat, the links of which would be listed down in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And please excuse me, I would be moving out for some grocery shopping if you might, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and stay healthy, stay safe, and I'll see you soon with my next video. Bye guys.